100. The article which ensures environment protection in the Constitution of India is A38A, B48A, C51A, D61A. 101. Natural rubber is a polymer of A. Isoprene, B. Styrene, C. Vinyl acetate, D. Butadiene. 102. Toland's reagent is A. Alkaline mercuric chloride, B. Alkaline potassium permanganate, C. Ammoniacal silver nitrate, D. ammonium citrate. 103. Paraffin wax is A. ester, B. alcohol, C. unsaturated hydrocarbons, D. saturated hydrocarbons. 104. Which one of the following gas is used for artificial ripening of fruits? A. methane, B. acetylene, C. ethylene, D. propane. 105. Which one of the following materials does not show piezoelectric behavior? A. quartz, B. Rochelle salt, C. rutile, D. barium titanate. 106. The melting point of silica is A. 1723 degrees Celsius, B. 2050%, C. 2300 degrees C, D. 1810 degrees C. 107. The BET study is performed to measure A. particle size distribution, B. specific surface area, C. dielectric constant, D. specific gravity. 108. The potash feldspar is known as A. orthoclase, B. albite, C. anorthite, D. dikite. 109. The acid employed for etching of glass is AHCl, BHNO, 3C aqua BHF. 110. Which one of the following remains in solid state at room temperature? A. centiliters 2 VF to CI to DBR 2. 111. Mars gas contains CO2 BCH4C and 2 BC2H6. 112. Which one of the following constitutes the common glass composition? A. sodium silicate, B. calcium silicate, C. calcium and sodium silicate, D. lead silicate. 113. Stainless steel contains AFE plus CR plus NiP, Fe plus Ni plus cubic C, Fe plus Mn plus Cr, D. Fe plus Co plus Ni. 114. Iron loses its magnetic property at A. melting point, B. curing point, C. 1000 degrees C, D. boiling point. 115. Meld metal is an alloy of A. cubic plus Sn, B. cubic plus V and C. cubic plus Ni, B. cubic plus Mn. 116. Which element has the greatest ductility property? A. cubic, B. AgCOD platinum. 117. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite by A. Thayer's process, B. Downs process, C. Solvay process, D. Oswald process. 118. The main radioactive element of pitchblende is BTHCuD. 119. The maximum consumption of refractories involves in A. glass industries, B. iron and steel plants, C. cement plants, D. petroleum industries. 120. The most common element in the universe is AFE, all ESI. 121. The process of zone refining is used for ultrapurification of A. silicon, B. germanium, C. gallium, D. all of the above. 122. The base composition of whitewood body contains A. clay, quartz and talc, B. quartz, clay and feldspar, C. talc, bauxite and willistonite, D. clay, gypsum and feldspar. 123. Which of the following metals do not form amalgam? A. iron, B. sodium, C. zinc, D. magnesium. 124. Jam jelly can be preserved by adding small percentage of AHCHOBEDTA, C. sodium benzoate, D. CH3COOH. 125. Reverse of swelling of gel is known as A. Snareces, B. intestine, C. adrenal gland, D. blood. 126. Federation Cup is associated with A. cricket, B. football, C. tennis, D. hockey. 127. India won its first Olympic hockey gold in A. 1918, B. 1928, C. 1936, D. 1932. 128. Most hazardous melting pollutant of automobile battery is A. mercury, B. cadmium, C. lead, D. copper. 129. Domestic waste causes A. Air pollution. B. Effluent. C. Biodegradable pollution. D. Non-biodegradable pollution. 130. Major aerosol pollutant in jet plane emission is A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Methane. D. Fluorocarbon. 131. In ecosystem, which one shows one-way passage? A. Free energy. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon. D. Potassium. 132. Main source of water and soil pollution is A. Agro-industry. B. Thermal power plant. C. Industrial effluents. D. All of the above. 133. Which one of the following clay has the highest cation exchange capacity? C. A. Bentonite. B. Colloidite. C. Ball clay. D. China clay. 134. The diameter of a human hair is about A. 50 meters. B. 50 nm. C. 100 meters. D. 100 nm. 135. Young of cockroaches is called A. Ephra. B. Nymph. C. Maggot. D. Juvenile. 136. The study of the microscopic structure of tissues is called A. Orology. B. Osteology. C. Histology. D. Serology. 137. Ornithology is the study of A. Mammal. B. Bat. C. Fishes. D. Birds. 138. Leaf spot disease of rice is caused by A. Fungus. B. Bacterial. C. Virus. D. None of the above. 139. Black heart of potato is due to A. Deficiency of copper. B. Deficiency of boron. C. Deficiency of oxygen. D. Deficiency of potassium. 140. The cell wall of xylem cells is rich in A. Starch. B. Protein. C. Lipid. D. Lignin. 141. Growth movement in plant due to light is called A. Phytotropism. B. Phototropism. C. Geotropism. D. Hydrotropism. 142. Which of the following is used as biofertilizer? A. Azolla. B. Urea. C. Bagasse. D. Clostridium. 143. Red color of red sea is due to A. Moss. B. Bacterial. C. Fungi. D. Algae. 144. Bacteria was discovered first by A. Leeuwenhoek. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Robert Hooke. D. Robert Koch. 145. Who is known as father of taxonomy? A. Anglo-Aristotle. C. Linnaeus. D. Charles Darwin. 146. Spermology is the study of A. Leaf. B. pollen grain. C. Fruit. D. Seed. 147. Which one is responsible for white lung cancer? A. Asbestos. B. Lead. C. Mercury. D. None of the above. 148. Which is not a pollutant? A. Mercury. B. Arsenic. C. Lead. D. Alumina. 149. Mercury is emitted into air by A. Burning coal. B. Burning garbage. C. Steam boiler. D. Diesel engine. 150. Vitamin B12 is also known as A. Pyridoxine. B. Ascorbic acid. C. Riboflavin. D. None of the above. 151. Which one of the following is not peroxide? A. BaO2. B. NaTO2. C. H2O2. D. MnO2. 152. Atomic packing density in FCC lattice is A. 0.47. B. 0.68. C. 0.74. D. 1.0. 153. Water attains maximum density at A. 0 degrees C. B. 4 degrees F. C. for K. D. 4 degrees C. 154. If bulbs of 25W and 100W rated at 220V are connected in series across 440V supplied, a 25W bulb will fuse. B. 100W bulb will fuse. C. None of these will fuse. D. Both will fuse. 155. 44 grams of CO2 occupies how many liters of CO2 at S tier P? A. 2.4. B. 2.24. C. 44. D. 22.4. 156. If the lengths and two diagonals of the rectangle are each increased by 6%, find percent increase in its breadth. A. 5%, B. 6%, C. 7%, D. 8%. 157. The aspect ratio is the ratio of A. X-axis, Y-axis, B. Thin, cos C. Length, width, D. None of the above. 158. Refractive index of the medium is defined by A. The ratio of the cosine of the angles of incidence and refraction of light is constant when it passes between two given media. B. The ratio of the sine of the angles of refraction and incidence of light is constant when it passes between two given media. C. The ratio of the sine of the angles of incidence and refraction of light is constant when it passes between two given media. D. None of the above. 159. The contact angle of Hg on glass A equals 90 degrees, B greater than 90 degrees, C 90 degrees, D none of the above. 160. Forward chemical reactions happen only if A Ag equals 0, B Ag greater than 0, C Ag 0, D none of the above. 161. The gases responsible for greenhouse effect are AO2, B CO2, C and B SO2. 162. Electronic polarization in dielectric materials occurred in frequency around 10 kHz BMHD CGHD D none of the above. 163. Diamond has the Mohs scale hardness number of A5B7 C10 D9. 164. Bakelite is the product of A addition polymerization, B condensation polymerization, C copolymerization, D none of the above. 165. High polymerization of ethylene is done by using A zeolite catalyst, B B2O5 catalyst, C Ziegler-Natta catalyst, B platinum member catalyst. 166. The isotope used for cancer therapy I-80 Co60 CC14D Ra223. 167. Chemical used as insecticide is A. BHC B-methyl salicylate C iodoform DTNT. 168. Number of unpaired electrons present in cubic 2 plus A3B5C2D7. 169. Which one of these is not a transitional metal? ATBCRC then IBCN. 170. Pasteurization of milk in dairy farm is conducted by A. Ozone B. UV rays C. Chlorine D. Microwave. 171. Diazoyl coupling reaction between diaphonium salt and NaFeOl produces A. Green dye B. Yellow dye C. Red dye D. Blue dye. 172. Chemical formula of Grignard reagent is AR milligrams XBR CAX CRSRX D none of the above. 173. The crown glass is an A. Optical glass B. Radiation shield glass C. Safety glass D. Toughened glass. 174. An intrinsic semiconductor has forbidden gas of A to F B greater than to F C to F D none of the above. 175. The term chakra is used in A. Rifle shooting B. Horse racing C. Wrestling D. Polo. 176. The structure of alumina is A. Trigonal B. Orthorhombic C. Hexagonal D. Cubic. 177. The specific gravity of quartz is A. 2.32 grams /cc B. 2.63 grams /cc C. 2.53 grams /cc D. 2.2 grams /cc. 178. Which of the following behaves as chemically most active non-metal? A. F2B C and to BO2. 179. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called A. Natural gas B. Water gas C. Producer gas D. None of the above. 180. Which fuel has the maximum calorific value? A. Charcoal B. Kerosene C. or D. LPG. 181. The hydrolysis of cane sugar is catalyzed by AH plus B enzyme C. Mineral acid D. All of the above. 182. The catalyst used in the hydrogenation of oils is A. B2O5BNICFE D. Platinum. 183. Hydrochloric acid is also known as A. Chloric acid B. Muriatic acid C. Alic acid D. Picric acid. 184. Which one of the following element is essential for the construction of nuclear reactors? A. Tungsten B. Platinum C. Cobalt D. Zirconium. 185. What is software? A. A type of computer code. B. A computer language. C. A set of instructions for your computer. D. A cover for the computer. 186. The operating system is the most common type of software. A system, B communication, C application, D none of the above. 187. The computer cannot boot if it does not have the A compiler, B loader, C operating system, D assembler. 188. PARAM was developed by IIT Kanpur, D CDAC, CIIT Ragford, D none of the above. 189. For television broadcasting, the frequency range employed normally varies from A30, 300 MHz, B30, 300 GHz, C30, 300 kHz, D30, 300 Hz. 190. Modern communication systems are based on A analog circuits, B digital circuits, C combination of analog and digital circuits, D none of the above. 191. A transistor is made of A doped semiconductors, B intrinsic semiconductors, C a metal piece sandwich between two intrinsic semiconductors, D none of the above. 192. The isotope used as fuel in nuclear power plant is AU-235, BU-238, CU-233, BU-239. 193. The carbon microphone is best used in A dynamo, B telephone, C transformer, D none of the above. 194. Martensitic steel has following crystal structure: A, B, C, C, B, F, C, 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 B, C, D, B, H, C, P. 195. Then ferrite is the example of material. A paramagnetic, B paramagnetic, C aeromagnetic, D none of the above. 196. Soft iron is used in many parts of electrical machines for its A low hysteresis loss and low permeability, B high hysteresis loss and low permeability, C large density and large retentivity, D low hysteresis loss and high permeability. 197. Tangent galvanometer is used to measure A steady currents, B currents impulses, C Earth's magnetic field, D none of the above. 198. In a charge capacitor, the energy is stored as A positive charge, B both as positive and negative charge, C the electric field between the plates, D the potential energy of the capacitor plates. 199. Line spectrum is produced by A the sun, B mercury vapor lamp, C candle, D electric bulb. 200. The technique used to transmit audio signal in television broadcasting is A amplitude modulation, B frequency modulation, C pulse code modulation, D time division multiplication.